copyright? Defend your answer. Yes, copyright law gives the protection of the original work and at the same time, it provides an exclusive right to the creator of the work to take control over the publishing of the work. Due to the copyright, a music composer can decide whether his original song can reproduce copies to sell. An exclusive right to the artistic art or creative developers and publishers, the right to control the unauthorized exploitation of the creative work in the digital environment. Works are created by combining context, music, text, graphics, illustrations, photographs, or software, which are protected under copyright law. Nothing, you cannot control what other people do. When someone is posting something embracing about you and it starts to affect you or a job or other place is chosen, then you should take legal action including stop it. How would you feel if someone posted something embracing about you? What would you do? Honesty, if someone posted something embracing about me, I would feel embraced, cheated, disrespected, and also I would